Hello friends, we have here a power bank made of the Gibronic company. Gibronics, it is a very good company. It is a power bank of high quality. Its capacity is 15,000 mAh. Its capacity is 15,000 mAh. So this capacity of a power bank is very important. Higher the capacity of a power bank, longer the time it takes for discharging, so we can charge so many devices. But now the problem is that this is not working, it has stopped working. So let us see what is the problem. So I have opened this one. I have opened like this, and this is the circuit board. This is the circuit board, electronics part of this power bank, and this is the display, and it is having a two USB port, and this is the charging input, and this is the LED display, LED charging indicator. So these are the parts of this circuit board, and this is the high quality LED display. It shows what is the percentage of charging of a mobile, and for which port you have connected, whether you have connected this port or this port. What is the difference between these two port is that this works on 1 ampere 1 ampere current, but this works on 2 ampere current. So it is written here. So 1 ampere port, this here light will this part will be displayed when you are connecting to the 1 ampere port, and this part will be displayed when you are connecting to the 2 ampere port. Okay, so like this. So it is not working. So what is the problem is that let us check it. And how to check this one? So here I have the charger. This is a USB type of charger is there. This kind of charger we have to use. It is not a C type charger, it is ordinary USB type of charger is there, and you connect this charger to this charging port. Like this, I connected the charging port to this circuit board, and now this is on. This is on, the charger is on. So display is not coming, display is not glowing, and we hope that even though sometimes display has gone, there may be voltage, output voltage of this circuit. So that's why I am checking the voltage at this point where these batteries are connected. So these are the high quality lithium ion batteries. 6 batteries are connected in parallel connection. These are not connected in series connection, because the capacity of each battery is 3.7 volt, and suppose if you connected these batteries in the series form, the voltage will add up. So 3.7 into 6, nearly some 20 voltage may come at the output, at the series combination of this batteries. So 20 voltage is not required here, because all the mobiles charge just in 5 voltage. So because of that reason, all these batteries are connected in parallel mode, and so that is why current increases but voltage remains same. So voltage level is maintained at a 5 volt, but the amount of current flowing through the circuit increases when the batteries are connected in a parallel way. So in this way, now actually it was connected here. This is the positive terminal of the battery, and now we can use the multimeter for this purpose. So as you know, this is multimeter, means it can be used to measure so many things, and this is the on off button, make it on, and now you are measuring the DC voltage. So this knob should be in DC mode like this. So now I kept the this multimeter in a 20 volt range. So that means this multimeter can measure now up to 20 volt. So that is the meaning of range. And these are the two terminals or probes of this multimeter. And one, this will be always the black probe will be connected to the COM always, but the red probe will have to change according to the situation what you are measuring. Now you are measuring voltage, it should be here. Suppose if you are measuring the current, if the current is in terms of milliamperes, you have to put this here. And suppose if you are measuring the higher currents, that is of the order of 10 amperes, so you have to put this red probe into this socket. So this is how to use the multimeter. Now I am measuring the voltage, so I have kept the red probe here, and I have kept the range in a 20 volt range, DC voltage. So here also V is there. This is the AC voltage. This mark of symbol is there, that shows that you are measuring the AC voltage. But here straight line or dotted line is there, so that indicates that you are measuring the DC voltage. And now we can check first the life of this battery, whether the batteries are having some charge or not. Just we can check it. So for that I have to remove at least one connection. We can't measure the voltage when this probe is connected to here. It is called as the in-circuit measurement. In-circuit measurement leads to the wrong voltages, so that is why I have removed one terminal like this, so red terminal, and I will keep like this, and this is the negative terminal. So this shows that these batteries are giving 3.44 voltage. So these batteries are giving a constant voltage of 3.44. That means these batteries are not damaged, or they have not stopped working. They are working. They are storing the charges, but the problem is with this circuit. And now how to check that this circuit is working or not? Already it is not working because display is not there, but at least you have to check the voltage at this point. That means this is the battery point, and here and here and here and here we have to check the voltage, because we have connected the USB port here, which supplies the 5 volt to this circuit. So with that supplied 5 volt, this circuit should work and display should come. And you can see here, you see no voltage is coming from the output of this circuit. So this shows that definitely this circuit has stopped working. The problem maybe is that it includes so many delicate components like this. You see very ICs are there, and small resistors, surface mount components are there. Any one of component might have damaged. Any one of components might have damaged. So that is the problem. This is the on off button. So what we can do, whether we can throw this power bank straight away, or it can be used, that is the next question. Don't throw away this kind of power banks, because this kind of modules called as the charging modules are available in Amazon or in some online shopping centers. Just you can purchase or order a similar kind of a charging module from Amazon, and you just and it will be in ready position, and just you have to connect the battery terminals to that charging module. It starts working. So don't throw away this kind of modules. So this is what happens, and in the next video I will show you. And generally, since these are of not much costly, generally they cost from 300 to 500 range, So that is why nobody is going to repair or service this part of the circuit. Just they are thrown out and new one is connected, brought and connected. So this is the details of this power bank. Thank you for watching.